been a long time, okay? Probably about a year. I've been slacking, I know. Let's just say 2021 was rough. So, you know, trying to get it back going for 2022. And what better way than with my new Brandon Blackwood bag. So, I'll give you the story real quick. I've been wanting one for a little bit. I believe you pronounce it as the Kuei bag. I'm not for sure. But I've been wanting one for a little bit. And so last Friday, not this, let's see, it's probably been like 2 weeks ago. It was a Friday, I sent my husband a link, trying to shoot my shot, you know. And he responded back and was like, purchase. Okay. So I was really excited, and I got the bag on like Tuesday of this week, and I have been dying to do an unboxing. Like, I want to see the bag, but I was like, no, you need to do an unboxing because other people want to see it, plus it's a good way to get, you know, back going with your YouTube channel. But shout out to my husband. I shot my shot and he actually got me a bag just because. So I'm really excited to show you guys. I did not peek. I did not peek. I did. Okay. A little rusty. And I already cut the box open. Look at that Brandon Blackwood. So big and pretty. So I got the Kuei bag jumbo size in brown. So let's see. Okay. Look at that. It's the details for me. Look at that. Look at that. Card. All right. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new, what does it say? New piece. And I can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. All right. Beautiful. I'm hoping. All right. Good. It's so pretty. Okay. So, jumbo, which is very big, but I wanted obviously a big bag. So, got the jumbo. Looks like we got straps and a zipper, pocket, just it's pretty open. Looks like we have like a little cell phone area right here, and then that snaps, and of course this beautiful zipper detail. It does have feet on the back. It's beautiful though. That. Let's see. There are the straps, and this is silver detailing. Silver hardware, should I say? Trying to figure out. And then it clips inside. The crossbody. And here's the back. All right, side, the back. She's gorge and massive, might I add. Look at that though, it's bomb. So excited for my brand and Blackwood bag, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love it. Also, I forgot to say, if you want to see more unboxings, just more content for me, make sure you press subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notifications so that way you can be aware of when I upload. And yes, I'm uploading in 2022. Okay, don't judge me about 2021. I'm uploading in 2022. Thank you, guys.